What's up, guys? I have a huge video about this place coming soon and this guy. This is Landus Bennet. Say hey, Landus.
How you doing?
But before that comes, along with a whole bunch of other videos from our build, which is why I'm here. Landus is the wood scientist that we worked with on some pecan that we've had taken care of. We're in Landus' shop right now, and there's dogs, obviously. But what I wanted to show you is this. Landus is the kind of guy who just builds whatever he needs. And I feel like if people listen too much to Stiebrick and to really high-minded building scientists, academic building scientists, even the home chem stuff, you might think that you need thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars of equipment and training and all this stuff to do some of the things we're talking about. This is a vacuum cleaner. It is hooked up to hoses that lead to sealed compartments where we have a window inside. This is how you do infiltration testing. You do not need a weird blower door setup and some special manifold coupling thing for your duct tightness tester or whatever to do this. You have a vacuum cleaner. You have a pressure gauge. This pressure gauge is not even, no offense, it's not even a really fancy pressure gauge. This is one you can get at any HVAC supply store. We got regular old vinyl tubing, okay? This is not special stuff. This is the spray rig that Landus is going to use to spray like a pressure washer, basically. It's PVC. He built this stuff himself. Thank you for showing us how it's done.
You're welcome.
I do love manufacturers who make nice things, but if you want to just do testing, you just do it. You don't need to wait for somebody to invent a tool for you to use. All of the principles of physics, chemistry, and microbiology are available for you to learn. Please do check out other ways that you can just make your own stuff, do your own testing. Stop guessing. Comment if you have anything to say about this, and make sure that you also like and subscribe. Tune in next time.